This one. The Grinch. What about this one? Not Mummy. Scorpion King. Good. What about this one? That one. This one. That one. This one. That one. This one. That one. That one. Then there's Universal Studios' blockbuster hit from 2 summers ago, Hellboy 2 and the Golden Army. We're working on the sequel to this right now, Hellboy 3 and the Golden Girls. Now, to create the fantastic world of Hellboy, director Guillermo del Toro, he used both practical effects as well as digital effects. Here's the difference between the two. Digital effects, they're all fake. They're made with a computer. So these creatures right here are 100% digital. That means the actors on set had to pretend they were being attacked by thousands of invisible creatures. Well, they used the same process to bring the Golden Army to life. During production, filmmakers used giant cardboard cutouts of the robots for the actual film. Although, for the actual film, they used actual digital replicas of the robots for this footage that you're seeing right here. Now, sometimes digital effects and practical effects are used at the same time. And a great example of that is in this scene here. Hellboy faces off on the streets of New York City against Squidward from SpongeBob SquarePants. This whole process starts with storyboards. They depict the intended action for the scene. Next, the art department will build a scale model of the set, which you can see on either side. Now, full-size New York street sets, they were combined with digital characters and digital effects, but they also used practical effects. Now, practical effects are real. They take place right there on set. This car imploding right here, that's a practical effect. Combine that with a digital effect, like a tentacle hitting it, when you get a realistic-looking scene. Now, if you haven't actually watched the movie, Hellboy is saving a baby in this scene. Listen closely for the baby. Hear the baby? They used a real baby when they were shooting those stunts.